Alright guys, I'm gonna do another video real quick. So we got this company that sent me out a bed cover. So I already have one on my truck. Well, I told my brother he got it for his truck. It's from Max Speeding Rods. So I guess they sell all kinds of stuff. They sell bed covers, they sell lights, they sell like suspension parts, they sell lift kits, they sell basically anything for any type of truck, any type of car. They sent me this out, hard folding tonneau cover. Installation manual. They sell these the hardcover ones. They sell like the vinyl ones. So they sell all types of bed covers. So we're gonna put it on my brother's truck. This one's for a Silverado, 2003. I think it's from 2001 to 2006. He said. It says all the hardware right here to install it. And this is stuff that comes with it basically. So the company is Max Speeding Rods. Like I said, they sell all types of stuff. So they gave me a discount code also, so you guys could go and purchase stuff from them and use my code and get stuff at a discount. Gives you a percentage off. I think it's like 10 or 50%, something like that. So in the link below, I'll link everything down below in the description. I'll put my discount code. I'll put the link to the tonneau cover if you guys are interested in this one. Like I said, they sell it for all kinds of trucks. If you want to send it out to me for my truck, well, since I already have a tonneau cover, I just said if I could get it for the Silverado, so we'll put it on my brother's. So me and my dad already have tonneau covers on our truck, so we didn't really need them. But it looks pretty durable. I think this one is not gonna be like the flush fit. I know they do sell the flush fit ones, but I don't think this one is. I'm not sure, to be honest, but I really don't think it's a flush fit one. So it might be the one that kind of sticks up like a little bit above, you know, like ours that we have are flush. You don't notice them. So we're gonna put it on this truck. So as you guys seen in the last video, well, I haven't posted it yet, but the video I'm gonna post this week is when we installed the off-road lights from Oxy Auto. So they've been on there. So now we're gonna do the tonneau cover. So like I said, I don't think that one's a flush fit. Right now we're gonna see. I really don't think it is. 'Cause I know it all depends on the pricing. They got all kinds. Like I said, they got the vinyl ones, they got the flush fit ones, and they got all types of tonneau covers. And like I said, they don't only sell tonneau covers. They sell like suspension parts, lift kits. They sell all kinds of stuff. So see, like on mine and my dad's, you see it's flush. See, this is on my dad's truck. It's a flush fit one, so you don't see it on the side. Mine is the same way. Flush fit tonneau cover one. And I think on the one they send out for my brother's truck, it's gonna be like sticking up like a little bit. I don't think it's meant to be flush fit. Yeah, we got our trucks here. My dad's truck looking good still. Probably try to make another video on this one, but I don't know what else you guys would want to see on this truck. I mean, I already kind of showed you guys everything on it. We still got the truck looking good. Got my truck. I want to do a full like breakdown on this truck too, like I did on my dad's, where I do like a performance. I do 60 rows, 40 rows digs to kind of show you guys how it is to have a full bolt on truck, you know, if you're interested in doing that to your truck. So I'll make a video on mine too soon. And this was my dad's other, the 60 Sierra. It's an 02. And this one has a different style of tonneau cover too, as you guys can see. These are like, I forgot what these are called, but it's like the big ones basically that they color match them. Super clean interior on this one too. It's all original, but it's like really clean, you know. He hasn't driven this truck in a while. We think the fuel pump is going out, but he hasn't even driven it. So that's what we're gonna do the install on my brother's truck right now. I'll record a video so you guys can see how to do the install. But yeah, like I said, it's Max Speeding Rods, the company. These trucks do have the 6.5 bed, I think, the 6.5, since they are since a short bed. I mean, there's a single cab short bed. These have the 6.5 bed. So obviously if you have a 4-door bed, it's a little bit shorter still compared to this one. If you have a full-size 4-door, the bed is shorter than the single cab. You just gotta make sure that you guys get the right size bed. Pretty sure this one was a 6.5. I know that's what I asked for, and that's what they sent me out. This is like the little foam they sent you out. So it's when you put the tonneau cover, it sits on top of here. They always send these out for all the tonneau covers you buy. It has like double-sided tape. They just clean off the surface and you just tape it on there. So we just mounted it right now. He has to put on the hardware to get it bolted on. It obviously doesn't, honestly doesn't look too bad. I mean, compared to ours, like I said, ours is just flush. It goes flush with the sides of the bed, but honestly I don't feel like it looks bad. Yeah, brother sure has been getting hooked up with all these little sponsors. None of these I could put on my truck. Like I said, the off-road lights, it's not like I could put them on my truck, so I just gave them to him. And then with the bed cover, I already had a bed cover, so this truck is the one that's been getting hooked up. Look at this guy, it doesn't look too bad. Let's just put the hardware on here now. These are all the little mounting points to hold it down. So this is where the buckle goes, or the buckle that goes on the screws. It's for when you fold up the tonneau cover, you can hold it down with the little straps. These. So it holds it in place, you don't have to move it around. So this is where it goes on the holes right here. Like I said, it's for when you fold this up. Say you have something in the back, you fold it up and you can strap it in here with the buckle. So then the tonneau cover is not moving around. And here's like a little foam backing piece in. This is on top of that. This one does have like the glossy finish to it. That's how mine is too, and my dad's. I personally like it more with the glossy one, because in the other truck I had, I used to have them, but it was like the matte finish to it. But I feel like the glossy one, it just goes nice with the cars. Like, it has like a nice shine to it. Because I know there's ones that are like matte, not matte, but they kind of like the basically like plastic trim. You know, kind of not as dull. It doesn't really shine. And I feel like the glossy finish one just looks a little bit nicer. So here is all the mounting points. This is where you put the handle. Right here. That's where it locks into place. And it has a bunch along the... It has a bunch going all the way down basically, so you can lock in. So you gotta put the mountings over there and turn them. So then it starts locking into place. So you see how that side has a gap and that side doesn't, because you're already tying it down. So you gotta just twist the knob over there. So it goes like right here, like on this side.
You have the long screw and then you have the knob and just go in.
So it's like this long screw, it has tape on it. It's like this long screw, it has a little, it comes with all the hardware. So like that. It clips onto the side of the bed. That part clips onto the side of the bed on the little hook, and then with the bottom one you start tying it down basically. With the bottom. So you tighten it and then you see the gap, it starts going away because it starts making it sit flush. It has another point right here in the middle, and then the one down here. The one down here, I think this is these handles. I think they both do. So for these is just handles, so whenever you want to lift it, you just, with the handle you can unhook it and you lift it up basically. These are just the handles, so like I said, you lift them up like that, so whenever you want to fold it up,
You know, you can lock it in here, so when you fold it,
and you lock it back up there in place.
get out.
Back it down like that. So I mean, it's a pretty straightforward install. Because I know like the ones that we have, the flush ones, it has like a little railing that you got to put on, and then where it hooks onto the railing. So I feel like these are probably a little bit easier to install. So as you can see it up close on this side. There's a long screw, and then the handle just screws on there and then locks it into place. And then if you ever want to fold it up, you just fold this handle back up, and you could fold the tonneau cover up.
Para ese momento, en 1990, Chikatilo ya había matado a más de 50 personas, pero el fin estaba ese asesino, pero de un momento dice, oye, ya. Yo maté a 56 personas. De esas 56 personas, los más increíbles en este caso.
So you gotta put it pretty tight too, so obviously it sits pretty snug. You gotta mess with it until you get it tight. There you go. That's pretty much it. Nice and secure now. So you just take it off and you can fold it up. See, then the handle clips onto right here. And that's what this is for right here. This is the buckle right here. So just to basically hold it if you ever fold it up, if you ever gotta put something in the back. So yeah, so that's the bed cover basically. It's a, I think they call it, what do they call it? I just know it's a hard tonneau cover. Because like I said, there's some that are vinyl. There's some bed covers that are vinyl, and there's a bunch of different ones, to be honest. But that's the hard fold one. So you can fold it up, you can still store stuff in your back and use your bed like normal. Yeah, it looks pretty good. It's a pretty easy install. And it helps secure your stuff. Like if you ever go put something, go to the grocery store or something, you have stuff in the bag, well obviously it's secure, you know, it's not just out. Because I mean, no one could really get to this. I feel like if you try to get to this, it's pretty hard. And then with the door right here locks too, so I know my brother usually keeps it locked. So obviously if you ever put something in the bag, no one's gonna get to it, you know? Just secure stuff in case you go to the store or something. Here's the truck right here. Looks good. There's off-road lights. You got the tonneau cover now. The truck's been getting blessed. Yeah, like I was saying earlier, all those parts, I mean, they send them out to me, but like I said, I have a lower truck. It's not like I'm gonna put the off-road lights, and I already have a tonneau cover. I just asked for it, so I'm like, yeah, you guys can send it to me, and I just give it to my brother. He helps me do all the installs on my truck either way, so you can have all that stuff for free, you know, bless his truck a little bit. It's pretty clean. This has the bed cover right there. Like I said, I like that it's the glossy one. Like on my old truck, I had the matte one, and I didn't really like how it looked. It would always look really dusty and dirty. So this one's nice. So yeah, there you guys have it pretty much. That's the install. It's not too bad. It's a pretty easy process to do. So I feel like it looks good. It's pretty clean, you know. It makes, I like tonneau covers. On all my trucks, I've always had tonneau covers. I mean, I've only had 2 trucks, but my dad on his truck, he's always put the tonneau covers. Back then, they would use those tonneau covers like the one that one has. I forgot what they call those. There's a name for them. It's like the ones that you paint match them. It's the big ones. I forgot those tonneau covers are called, but they're really expensive. And on those, you can't really use your bed anymore. So with these, you can still use your bed. Looks clean, you know. You can still open it up and use your bed. Those, well, they just don't open up all the way, obviously, since you have like the big old freaking shocks and stuff that holds them up. But yeah, it came out pretty good. Got the Redline Racing sticker. I'm gonna be selling these stickers. If you guys are interested, you guys could comment down below or send me a message on IG and I can send them out to you guys. I'm gonna sell those stickers right there. They're pretty big. I think I'm gonna sell them like at $25 a pop. So I'm gonna have a gray and the red one. The gray one is the red line, is in gray letters and white, and then the red one was just red and white. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So once again, huge shout out to Max Speeding Rods for sending this bed cover out to me. They have all kinds of stuff on their website. Like I said, it's not just bed covers. They sell parts for all types of cars, all types of trucks. I was looking at their website. I know they sell turbos, they sell lift kits, they sell suspension, drop kits, they sell all kinds of stuff. So you guys can check them out below. They sell lights, they sell a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna leave the link down below so you guys can check out their website and see what else they sell. And I'm gonna leave my code down below so you guys can shop on their website and get a discount using my code. Once again, huge shout out to them for sending this out to me. And yeah, let me know if you guys are interested in getting something like this, and let me know if you purchase something off the website. Like I said, use my code for the discount. Here's one last look. If you have a truck, you gotta get a tonneau cover. There's no way you could get a truck and not have a tonneau cover on it. Yeah, that'll be the end of the video right there. It says they're pretty straightforward and easy install. So I'm gonna leave all the links down below. That'll be it.